In this video, today we are going to see about 3D model options. So till now, whatever we have seen is 2D drawings, or how to draw the 2D options, or how to draw in a sketch. So what I'm going to do is, today we will be going to see about a 3D model. So before going to what is 3D model? What is a 3D model? The 3D model is nothing but we are adding up one more dimension, where we are adding up one more dimension. So here I want to say to you is, for example, if I take this rectangle, I'm finishing up of a sketch. So now what it is having? It is having an X and a Y direction. So if you see here in the tree, in the model tree, you will be having one sketch. So once here we have finished in a sketch, now I want to add a third dimension to it, or nothing but I want to add a thickness to it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to 3D model options, and here clicking on the extrude button. So once I click on extrude, here this is going to ask me a profile. So since here I am having only single profile, it has been by default, it has been taken this profile, and this nothing but now whatever is the thickness I want to give to this rectangle, that here I can select it, and now it is in the by default it is in this direction. If I want to change that direction, just I will be going and clicking on the other side. So now the direction has been changed. Or if I want to give it in a uniform on the both sides, I can select in a third option. Or else if I want to give an uneven, so if I want to give this side this much, and if I want to give this side little less, so like this I can select. If I click on the OK button, so what will happen? Now this rectangle has been created with an extrude. So if I want to see or rotate, the easiest way is go and hold on the cube, this cube, and once you hold the cube, if you are rotating that cube, obviously the model is also getting rotated. I'm going to create a second model. So here now I'm creating one more sketch. So this time inside the sketch, what I'm doing is I'm taking a rectangle plus a circle, and then just I'm clicking on the finish. So now I'm going to 3D model and again selecting an extrude. If I observe this time, what has happened is, previously when I come here, by default it has been selected. Now the system doesn't know, or the inventor is confused whether it want to take this portion or this portion to extrude. If we select in a portion, then see, automatically we are getting it. If you see here, it is in a hole. So similarly, we can take it in this direction, we can take it in the opposite direction, or we can take it in the both the directions symmetrically, or we can take it unevenly. So whatever is required, we can go and we can give the whatever is the thickness required, and click on the OK, so that now this has been selected. So now I can hold the cube and I can rotate it to view it. Okay. So this is about an extrude. So here I am going to select this plane, and here I am creating create sketch. So once I make a create sketch, here I am drawing one circle, and then making it finish and going to extrude. So here I can make it in both ways. Here if you see, I can add the material. If you observe here, it is adding the material, or if I press on the second one, what it is doing, it is removing the material. What it is doing, it is removing the material. Just I will be clicking on the, okay, now you can see. So if you see here, now it has been removed the material. Okay, so we can make a sketch, first initial sketch, and then we can do an extrusion, or we can select a face on the 3D model itself and I can make a sketch. So this is called as a second sketch, so this is called an initial sketch. And here whatever we have done in the first, it has came with an extrusion 1, and whatever we have done in the second, it has given with an extrusion 2. Thank you.